Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Super Srinivas. Today our topic is electrochemistry. Electrochemistry Part 5. We completed in our previous classes electrochemistry. It deals with electrolytes and electrochemistry, cells and batteries, and these are completed in part 1, and difference between the electronic conductors and electrolytic conductors also completed. Next in our part 2, electrolytic cells and mechanism of electrolytic cells and weak electrolytes and strong electrolytes, electrolyte and non-electrolyte, and order of decomposition of cations and anions completed. In part 3, Faraday's law of electrolytics completed. Total detailed discussion of Faraday's laws of electrolysis, first law and second law also completed. In part 4 section, electrolytic solution resistance and conductance completed. Ohm's law, resistance and conductance and specific resistance or resistivity completed, and measurement of the conductor also completed. Today in our topic we learning about specific molar and equivalent conductance. Specific molar and equivalent conductance. The conductance or the electric current conducting the capacity of an electrolyte solutions can be expressed of a terms, which terms can be expressed as a specific conductance case, specific conductance, next molar conductance, third one is equivalent conductance, specific resistance, specific conductance. First K denoted by K, specific conductance. It is a reciprocal of specific resistance rho. K is equals to 1 by rho, then R is equals to rho L A, 1 by G is equals to 1 by K into 1 by A L by A. Therefore K is equals to G into 1 L by A. This is a formula. K is equals to specific conductance, G is equals to cell constant conductance, and L by A is equals to cell constant. This is cell constant. G is equals to conductance. E is equals to conductance. L is equals to 1 centimeter. L is equals to 1 centimeters and A is equals to 1 centimeter square. K is equals to G. Then K is equals to G, and K is equals to G is specific conductance. K is equals to G, specific conductance. Specific conductance definitions, or we can say in 3 ways. First one is K is equals to G. Then K is equals to G. Thus, the conductor of 1 centimeter cube of the electrolyte solution is specific conductance. Or similarly, the conductance of the electrolyte in solution volume 1 m cube is called as specific conductance. And third one, the conductance of the solution enclosed between the two parallel electrolytes of a unit area of cross section of a unit distance is called as specific conductance K. Its units are ohm inverse into centimeter inverse in CJS system, or in SI system, ohm inverse, meter inverse, or S into M inverse. In SI system, 1 S centimeter inverse is equals to 100 S meter inverse. Okay. In note point, L by A is equals to 1, then K is equals to G is a node point. Next, the electrolyte. The conductivity of the solution of a different electrolyte in the same solvent at a given temperature differs due to conductivity, different electrolytes and same solvent, and temperature difference due to charge and size. Dissociation. Next, concentration of ions. Or is a with which the ions move from the potential graduation. Molar conductance. It is a molar conductance. Next one is molar conductance. Molar conductance. Second one, molar conductance. This is the symbol. It is a conducting power of all ions produced by dissolving 1 gram mole of an electrolyte. Or that these in definition form, the conductance of a volume of solution contains 1 gram molecular weight of the electrolyte placed between the two parallel electrodes separated by the distance of the unit's length of 1 centimeter in CJ system or 1 meter in the SI system is called as molar conductance. Or shortly we can say as 1 gram mole of an electrolyte. Okay. Next, relation between the specific conductance K, relationship between K and molar conductance and specific conductance. Molar conductance and specific conductance. Of electrolyte follows this formula: K into 1000 by molarity. Units of molar conductance. Units: ohm inverse, centimeter square, mole inverse CJ system, or in SI system, ohm inverse, meter square and mole inverse. Same. Next, 1 S meter square mole inverse is equals to 10 to the power of 4 S centimeter square mole inverse. Okay. Next, equivalent conductance. What is the definition of equivalent conductance? Means It is the conductance power of all the ions produced by the dissolving 1 gram of equivalent weight of electrolyte. Or in another form, we can say as the conductance of a volume. The conductance of a volume of equivalent volume of the solutions contains 1 gram of electrolytes of electrodes placed on the between two electrodes separated by the unit 1 centimeter square or 1 meter square. In short form definition is conducting power of all the ions produced by 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte. Okay, this is the shortest way of defining the definition. Okay, relation between the K and equivalent. Equivalent is equals to K into 1000 by normality. Okay, in that molarity and here normality. Shortly here molecular conductance means molarity and equivalent conductance means normality. You can its units are, can you say its units? Ohm, meter inverse, centimeter square, equivalent inverse in CJs, and ohm inverse means we like a ohm inverse in this way, and centimeter square and equivalent inverse. Okay, this is the deep. And here the note of equivalent conductors is an electrolyte solution of which the molarity is equals to normality. Yeah, I can said now only. Here lambda m conductance is equals to K into 1000 by molarity, and here equivalent means K into 1000 by normality. Okay, this is the difference. This is the node point. Okay, example point is KCl solution and NaCl solution. Okay, in today our class we explained specific molar and equivalent conductance are completed in this section, and specific conductance also completed, and molar conductance and equivalent conductance also completed. Related these problems are there. You do the problems in your intermaterials or MSET materials. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Super Srinivas. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.